long division with remainders using number chips. And this is the basketball version. It's a digital lesson. And the lesson starts with giving students some vocabulary: dividend, divisor, and quotient. And then it shows where each of these go in the division problem. So if they have a division problem, it shows them how to place the numbers correctly. So slide 4, that's all students are going to be doing, is moving these number chips into the correct place so they know where they go in the division problem. So 38 divided by 6, they're going to click and hold on the edge of the number chips to move them into place. And every slide has every number that the students need. So they're going to do the same with the other two problems. And then they're given this acronym, or DMSBR, to remember the steps: dad, mom, sister, brother, for divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down. So the first step is just divide. 19 divided by 4. Well, 4 goes into 19 4 times with 3 left over. So the next slide, students are just going to be doing the first step, which is division. So here they have 47 divided by 9. 9 goes into 47 5 times with some left over. 8 goes into 58 7 times with some left over. And then the last one. The next slide, they're going to be doing the first two steps, which is divide and then multiply. So 52 divided by 8, they know how to place the numbers. They're going to do the first step, which is divide. 8 goes into 52 6 times. And then the second step is multiply. So they're going to multiply the numbers outside the box, and they're going to get 48. So that's just the first two steps. The next slide, they're going to add a third step, which is subtract. So here they have 39 divided by 5. They're going to place the numbers in the correct place. Then they're going to divide. 5 goes into 39 7 times. Multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. And then the next step is to subtract. So they're going to take 39, subtract 35, and they get 4. So the answer to this problem is 7. This is the quotient: 7, remainder 4. Next slide, they get a little bit more practice. This time they're going to subtract. So they're going to use that next step: subtract. Multiply, divide, multiply, subtract. And then they're going to add the next step, which is bring down. So they get a little bit more difficult as they go. And again, they have every number they need on every slide. So if they get down to the end here and the numbers aren't working, they know they've made an error somewhere and they need to go back and check. So that is digital lesson, long division with remainders, and this is the basketball version.